So to make this effect, I will be using this photo of man wearing Nike shoes, and I will open it first in Photo P, which is a free version of Photoshop, and I will click on open from computer, and I will just upload the image here. And as you can see, the image is uploaded, and first I need to show you one thing, that is the dimension here, which is 5184 cross 3456. Okay, so I have opened the same in Canva with the same pixels, and I will now click on here, which is quick selection. Okay, I will click on here, and it will do the image analysis here. And after the analysis is done, it will be allowing me to do the quick selection. So I will click on the parts which I will be wanting to do the quick selection. Okay, so I have already selected. Now I will go to file, click on new, and I will be using the same size here, and make sure the DPI is 72 and background is transparent. Okay, and click on create, and after that you go to the image and click on V to cut the image and move it. So as you can see, the image is moved here, and now I will just click on file, export as PNG, and just click on save. Okay, now I will upload the main image here, which is downloaded from pixels, and make it to the same size here in the canvas. Now I will upload the image which I have this quick selected, and I have selected only the parts which I need to highlight it here. And after the uploading is done, I will just use the image here and click on edit, and go to shadows, go to glow, and here I will use a green color shade. Okay, and make sure the size is 9, the blur amount is 14, and intensity will be 50. Okay, and after that we will make the image to the same size of the canvas, and I will crop out the parts which are not required for this editing, and now I will just adjust the image. Okay, but as you can see, the glow is not properly visible in this image. So what I need to do, I need to adjust the main image. So for that I will go to edit, click on adjust, click select area, and here I will select the background, and after that I will go for light, and here I will select brightness to -100, contrast to +100, highlights also decrease to -100, and shadows just increase it a bit to 15 and increase the blacks as well. Okay, so the background is made to dark version, and after that I will just go to foreground here, which means I am selecting the person with the shoes on, and here I will just decrease the brightness, but make sure you are not going to full 100%. Maybe 55 will be better, and just increase the contrast a bit. Work on the shadows and the blacks. Okay, so now as you can see, the glow is visible. Okay, now I will just select the whole image, and now I will just decrease the brightness a bit. And now as you can see, the neon glow is perfectly visible here, and in this way you can easily transform any image or product into a glow image. And here as you can see, we have used the green color, and if we have wanted, we could have done it with any color here. As you can see, we can work with yellow, with red, with light blue, deep blue, or even purple color. So green looks better with this type of image, so I have created it in green. Okay, so you can try any other color you want and make your own designs. I hope you like this tutorial. So I am planning to do one new thing, which is I will highlight some comments of my previous video in the next video. So make sure you comment down in this video so that I can highlight some of your comments in the next video. I hope you like this tutorial, and till then please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button if you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you.